Another cracking baby here, single reared again. This one is from Pioneer Snow Blue, who is a blue son of Snow Prince, when paired to Pioneer Stargirl, who is a daughter of Miss Morris O'Donnell. Sorry, she's a daughter of Starboy, who bred Miss Morris. She's actually one of my first original hens that I ever had from Morris O'Donnell. She's getting on now, and she's had a dodgy leg for a while, but she's a good girl. She's as I say, she's a daughter of Starboy, and that's Pioneer Snow Blue. Is a cracking blue cock who's a son of Snow Prince. So with this pairing, we've got the best of the McFadden Snow Prince Queen Mary lines, out and out, keep going no matter what pigeons, paired with the best of Morris O'Donnell Starboy pigeons. And that young bird will be going to Dubai One Love race. Although it's classed as a sprint race, it is far from what we would consider to be a normal sprint race. The final last year proved to be a hard one. The temperatures were really high. And so despite the mileage, which in normal climates is classed as a sprint race, I think it needs more of an endurance pigeon. So that young bird will be going to Dubai. I'm sending 8 for Pioneer pigeons this year to Dubai, and John Gladwin's sending 8 at the Zwows, and we're basically just going to test and try. I've got a out and out sprint pair from Andy Pereira, his best ever breeding pair. I've got a young bird that went to the Masters race in Thailand last week, actually flying tonight to Thailand, and I've got another one from that pair, and I'm going to try that in Dubai. So we'll have a cross of a variety of 8 different birds in Dubai, different pairings, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, exciting times. Let's see what they do.